it's Brent. I want to welcome you to our meditation practice today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's intention for our time together is to help the mind find peace and balance, especially to help ourselves cope with the uncertainty of everyday life. So what I want you to do right now is find a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, maybe with your back against the wall. You can sit on a cushion on a sofa. It's fine, just make sure your back is straight, all right? Let's begin by closing our eyes. Good. Now, I want you to take both hands. I want you to place them upon your heart. Take a deep breath in. Good, hold it. Listen to your own heart beating in your chest and release it. With each beat, may it remind you of this beautiful energy that is within you. May each beat take you deeper within yourself for this internal experience of your own being. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Good. Exhale out through your mouth. Allow yourself to find the presence, the comfort, and the grounding inside you. Slowly release your hands from your heart onto your lap. Keep those eyes closed. Good. I want you to take 3 deep breaths in and out. Do that now. Keep your eyes closed. Allow yourself to go deeper with the sound of my voice. And every breath you take, you go deeper within yourself. Focus your awareness on the space between your eyebrows. Just simply focus on your breathing as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And anytime your focus moves to anything else, and it will, just bring it back to your breathing. Simply focus and notice if you begin to see any shapes or colors or anything at all. No judgment here, just simply observe. We'll do this for a few moments. Good. Now, I want you to relax. Relax your shoulders. Let go of any tension in your body and your face. Relax your forehead. Allow your eyes to feel heavy. Unclench your jaw. Complete relaxation of the face. And just feel that feeling as it moves downwards into your body. You are so relaxed. You are so laser focused on being present. All you gotta do is stay there. Simply stay present. As you move through the body, relaxing and releasing. You are comfortable. Everything is amazing. Now just begin noticing any sensations in your body, and remember, anytime you feel anything, pull the focus back to your breathing. Always bring it back, no matter what your mind tries to do to you. All right? Good. One more time. Breathe in deep. Good. Just enjoy this simple moment of silence and disconnection. You deserve it. Now this is a time where it's normal for our minds to begin to want to cling to something, maybe a specific thought or a memory, a daydream, or even a fear of the future. It can go in so many directions, and guess what? That's okay. Just simply remember to use your breath. Whenever you feel yourself drifting away from this present moment, use your breath to come back to yourself. Come back to this moment, right here, right now, wherever you are. Just take a deep breath in and a soft exhale of breathing. If you're feeling uncertainty, stress, or anxiety in your life, I just want you to remember it's simply a reaction to the circumstances around you, which is creating a future that has not happened yet. and it won't happen the way you think it will. It never does. Even though we may not be able to control what life brings our way, we do have control over how we react to those challenges or any situation that's brought forward to us. So breathe in this moment. Choose to let all that negative energy go and release it as you breathe out. Good. Feel the peace and the joy and the simplicity of this moment. So now, we're going to take a few moments. I want you to keep your focus on your breathing. Clear your mind of everything else. No judgments. Don't be mad at yourself. You've got to train your mind to focus. All right? Anytime your mind goes astray, pull it back. We're going to do that for a few moments. Keep your eyes closed, and I'll see you in a minute. Good. It's time to come back. Begin to bring awareness again to your breath, inhaling and exhaling, feeling any energy within your body. Good. Take a moment to send our gratitude for all that we have right now, for your body, for your strength, for the opportunity to be able to reconnect with yourself. Take another deep breath in and let it go. As you move forward with your day today, remember that no matter what emotions are triggered by external circumstances, you are in control of how you react to them. Do not let yourself be consumed by any fears or negativity. Let yourself always come back to the idea that you and you alone can choose to find joy and happiness no matter what life throws at you. Finding joy in the simplicity of life and being grateful for all that you have right now in this moment always brings more. All right? Put you in control of your state of mind. Whatever energy or force that leads you upon this path of awakening, may you be healthy, may you find peace, and may you be guided by love. Thank you so much for spending this moment with me today and our meditation together. You guys are really doing amazing. If you have not joined our Facebook group, now is the time. We are a fantastic community of like-minded people banded together. And you know why? Because we're all programmed. From the moment we are born, we are programmed by our friends and our family, teachers, coaches, the media, the government, society at large. During the first 8 years of our life, our subconscious mind is in record mode. And it's during that time that our belief patterns and our thought patterns are created. But guess what? Those are the same rusty, out-of-date programs that are running in your mind today. Things you created when you were just a small kid. They're not even logical. They make no sense. They no longer serve you. Unless you can get into the subconscious, anything else is just surface level. And that's why change never happens, because you only deal with it on the surface level. You've got to get into your subconscious. That's what we're all about. I've spent 30 years going all over the world and teaching people about the immense power of the human mind. It's the most incredible supercomputer ever invented, and we don't have a manual. They never tell us how it works. So think about it. We are trapped in a game that we don't know we're playing. We don't have the rule book, and we're literally sleepwalking through our lives. What we're all about is shattering that, is showing you who you are inside, that you are an immense, powerful being. It's tapping into that. It's tapping into yourself. It is reclaiming your power and reclaiming the life that you've always wanted to live. So join us. It's facebook.com/groups/students of self-empowerment. We would love to have you. It isn't just a group. It's not just a community. This is a mission. We're on a mission to change the world. So join us. I want to thank you again for joining me today. No matter where you are, go out and enjoy yourself. It's a beautiful day. And remember, don't worry, be happy, and feel good. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.